Hello, this is Paula J. I'm getting ready to make a dessert, which is s'mores. It's very popular among kids. They love it. So I have my graham crackers, marshmallow, and I'm using milk chocolate. Okay, I'm going to break it in half. Make sure you break it on the thing. Break it. I'm going to do about 4, I think. That's 2. And it's going to be I'm going to do it in the microwave instead of over the fire. It's quicker, easy, and the kids will love it. Okay, I have my chocolate. I'm going to break it into 4 parts. Okay. Put it on top. 2, 3, 4. Okay, and then you see how it looks. Next, I'm going to put 4 marshmallows on, 1 on each one. This is the marshmallow. And I'm only going to put in less than 25 seconds. That's all you need, 25 seconds. I'll put this to the side. I'll put it in there and let it melt. And I'm going to put it in the microwave. The s'more. Okay? I'm going to do like less than 25 seconds. That's all I need. You can keep an eye on it. And once it melts, then you put the chocolate on top of it and then put the graham cracker on top. Okay? This less than 25 seconds. I said about 15 seconds. Okay? This is how they look. I'm going to put the chocolate on top. And this is a quick snack for the kids. The s'more. You can do it in the microwave. Okay, and put this on top. See the chocolate already melting. And this is your dessert or snack for the kids. This is how I look. Okay. These are s'mores in the microwave. See how that chocolate melt? Letting you see it. And make sure you subscribe and click like. This is s'mores in the microwave. Less than 10 minutes. Okay, see you later. This is Paula J. Make sure you subscribe and click like. Bye. Quick snack or dessert.